I've done going on 15 videos in this whole pocket survival kit review and just really, I think have wore myself out on the subject. But before I go on to some new bright and shiny thing, I wanted to make one more survival kit. And it's going to be based on this little Condor general purpose pouch. It's a cute little pouch. Um, it has a lot of pockets. It has this little flap out where you can stick cards and stuff like that. Good little pouch. I've had it for a long time. And what I've composed to go in it are a gusseted water bag with some aqua tabs, a rescue blanket, and there's a great place to put this stuff back there. One of the Dermasafe knives, a fire starter striker. Let's see. Have I ever shown you these things? Let me show you this thing through the magic of stop and go. So that's how that works. And I think there's a little glass breaker there, so that's kind of cool. And then I've got some cordage. Got a very small fishing kit, some waxed cotton, some right in the ring paper, and a pencil, which is protected. A little bit of duct tape and a plastic bag to put some of these smaller items in. Then down here, this is not an Australian John Wayne, but it's modeled after the Australian John Waynes that we used to get in their Sea Rats. And then here's a Fresnel lens, and I put this in because of something Cap6888 said in one of his videos, and he's right. This thing serves two purposes. It helps you see if you're getting older, like some of us, and it also, you can use it for starting a fire on a sunny day, and it weighs nothing. It takes up no room. So yeah, he's right. Let's add that in there. A little bit of foil, and this is this came out of one of the kits that I reviewed, but it's got a little light there. It's got a couple tools. It's not much, but it's a good little tool. And then I've thrown in one of the duck call lanyards. And there's several items here that you can put on that duck call lanyard that will, extend the usability of this survival kit. And it's just a basic survival kit. There's room for improvement, and there's actually room for improvement, if you get my gist. Now, why am I showing you one more survival kit? Why have I built one more survival kit? Well, here's why. I want to give this one away. So, if you'd like this little survival kit, which is a basic kit for you to add on to, then all you need to do is say down in the comments that you want my survival kit, and then if you would like a second opportunity to win this kit, in other words, like another ticket, if there were tickets, do this. Now pay attention. There is a word that I have used in maybe not every video in this series, but in quite a few of the videos on pocket survival kits. There was a word I threw out. Not a common word that you hear every day. Kind of a several syllables to this word. And if you picked up on that, I don't want you to put it in the comments because then everybody will see it. But if you picked up on that word, write me at renaissancemarinetv@gmail and just tell me what the word was. And if you tell me what the word was, I'm going to add you one more opportunity at winning this little survival kit. And I'll find some really stupid way of picking the winner. But anyway, if you want a chance to win it, well, it looks like Birdie's getting it, so I guess nobody can have it. But if you want a chance to win it, go ahead and say so down in the comments that you want my survival kit. And if you know that word that I use so often in so many of my survival kit videos, go ahead and tell me what that word is in an email. Don't put it in the comments. Matter of fact, if you mess up and put it in the comments, I will strike you from the running. You will never be able to win anything from me again. You will be dead to me. So don't do that. All right. I want to thank you for watching this series. I've had fun doing it. And I hope you had fun watching. And me and Birdie say thank you for watching. Right, Birdie?